Deep in the heart of Igbo land, hidden in sacred forests, lies the forgotten legacy of Ogwugwu, one of the most powerful deities of ancient Africa. Long before colonization, the Igbo people worshipped forces of nature and cosmic order. Among them stood Ogwugwu, the silent judge, the unseen force of justice. Archaeological findings link Ogwugwu's worship to the 12th century NRI civilization. In a time without prisons or police, Ogwugwu was the law. Accused persons would drink consecrated herbs before the priest. If guilty, they'd die within days. If innocent, they walked free, blessed. But Ogwugwu offered redemption through cleansing rituals. Herbal baths with sacred leaves washed away evil. This was restorative justice, African-style healing communities. When Europeans came, they feared Ogwugwu, calling it devil worship. Missionaries destroyed shrines, not understanding their moral depth. But the Igbo resisted. Priests hid shrines in forests. Elders passed codes and proverbs. Families secretly kept the oath traditions alive. Today, traces remain in villages like NRI and Arochukwu, where justice still echoes in Ogwugwu's name. The spirit of justice and truth endures, passed to new generations who honor the ancient ways. Ogwugwu's message endures. Truth cannot be buried. Justice is divine. From 12th century forests to today's struggles for fairness. Ogwugwu's spirit lives on, not as a relic but as a reminder. This is just one fragment of Africa's hidden history. If you believe these stories deserve to be heard, like, share, and subscribe. Let's unearth our legacy together. Uwadi Iche, the world is deeper than they told us.